here's how to use Coinbase wallet. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Coinbase wallet account. For this, you have to download the Chrome extension of it, or you can simply download the app from your Play Store. After installing the Chrome extension, click on the extensions option and now click on the pin option to pin it. Now you have to click on this icon to open this extension, and once you click on it, now it will open the Coinbase wallet app. Here you can create a new wallet or you can set up with your existing wallet. Here click on the enter recovery phrase option, and after that here you have to paste the recovery phrase. Now it will give you the option to select your password, and once you have entered your password, now you have to click on the submit option to verify it. Now all set, and here's your Coinbase wallet. After that, to buy any currency, you have to click on the buy option at the top. At the top you will see the various options. You can swap between currencies and you can also send and receive the currencies. To add crypto, you have to select this option and then click on the add crypto with Coinbase or transfer from another wallet option. After that, here you have to enter your wallet details from which you want to add your assets. To swap between currencies, I'm gonna click on the swap option at the top, and after that here I'm gonna click on the swap now option. Then here at this interface, I'm gonna select the currency from which I want to swap. Then I'm gonna enter the amount, and after adding the amount, here I'm gonna click on the to option to add the currency to which I want the swap. Then click on the top up your Ethereum balance. After that, click on the buy with Coinbase Pay option, and after that your currency will be swapped. Here it will also give you the option to select your network and from which you want to swap your currencies or you want to change your currency. Here I'm gonna select the Ethereum as I want to use the Ethereum to change my currencies or for currency transaction. Now in the transaction sections, you will see all the list of the transactions you made. To see your assets, you have to click on the assets option at the bottom left corner. So this is how to use Coinbase wallet.